Hey guys, it's your buddy Rom. Today we're going to take a look at this very unique product that was sent out to me for review. If you have a storage unit or a garage or a man cave, she shed, and you're in need of some additional lighting, I think this might be exactly what you're looking for. What you guys see here is a 160 watt light that can easily be mounted on the ceiling or a rail or whatever it is you want to mount it on. We're going to open the box and take a look at exactly what comes in it. Let's go. All right, guys. So the first thing we're greeted with in the box is going to be the user manual. This user manual is basically going to give you a little bit of information on how you can utilize this. One of the cool features that this does boast is that you can remove the included plug if you wanted to hardwire this into, say, a wall array or something like that. So if you wanted to make this a permanent light, you'll be able to do that. But other than that, really nice design. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. This thing is built like a little tank. All right, guys, so here's the light. As you guys can see here, it's built really well. This is all metal, okay? Now, one of its features is it comes with this additional cord that allows you to connect this to a rail or something. It also comes with a carabiner, and that way it's going to make it easy, super easy for you to clip this on and prevent, possibly from the light coming down. I don't think that's going to be an issue, but it does come with that as well. And as you guys can see here, you get a very sturdy three-prong plug that comes with this. It's relatively long. It also comes with, let me show you guys. So here is the metal mount that comes with this. And this is simple to use. You're just going to turn it like so and screw this in until you get that all the way in. Now, what that's going to allow you to do is to be able to clip this on to whatever it is you want to mount this light onto, okay? Now, this does have some significant weight to it, so make sure you're mounting this to something sturdy that will be able to support the weight. Now, like I said, this is an LED light, 160 watts, as you guys can see here. This is kind of where the design name kind of originates from, UFO. So it kind of has that UFO kind of style to it. I like that. I like these red accents that you see here as well, even though most of the time you're probably not going to be able to see those if this is mounted up in the ceiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this light out to my garage and show you guys in comparison what this light looks like, the output of this light versus what I have, currently in my garage right now, just to give you guys an idea of how you could benefit from having one of these lights. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so we're out of my garage. This has a single 50-watt bulb in the ceiling here. Let me see if I can show you guys. If you look up here in the ceiling, it's just a standard bulb that's in the ceiling for this garage. So I'm going to turn this off so you guys can see this is what total darkness looks like, except for a little sun that's coming in through the cracks. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this light in. And then I'm going to turn off the light in the garage and show you guys exactly how much light this is able to produce. Now, of course, I'm just holding this in my hand, as you guys can see here. Normally this would be, in an upright position like this with the light coming down above whatever the subject is. But I just wanted you guys to get an idea about how much light you're going to get out of a 160 watt light bulb. Now remember, this is an LED, so it's not going to produce any heat. So this should be perfect for your garage, your man cave, she shed, backyard, wherever it is you want to place one of these lights. And you do have the option of wiring this directly into your system.